Hey Legacy traders, it's Tim with Option Legacy. Today we had a green day, up about 60 bucks. Nothing crazy, but green is green. So let's pop into our broker platform and take a look at it. Ta-da! So we're in two trades, Bank of America and Tyson Foods. We have negative delta here, meaning we're in bearish positions, and they're both up $30 equal. And we entered in 440 over here and 495 in the total trade. So let's go look at it. TSN, we're already there, so might as well look at it. You can see it's been a downward trend, and it's at the top of this channel here, and it's got a wick to the upside. Wick to the upside. RSI is ticking down, stochastics coming down, and MACD is all showing bearish. So we're expecting this thing to come down to the bottom of this channel, or maybe here this micro support you could draw out right along here. So come down to this price point. That would be ideal. That's 55 bucks, and we're talking about 61 over here. So we're talking about a $6 or $7 move, and you can see collective delta here is 100 delta. So that'd be about a $600 to $700 gain on a $440 investment. So if that seems good, say yeah. Post in the comments, say yeah. And then let's look at BAC. We're in BAC. We're also in a put here because you can see that support right around here back in July was right around the 27 and some change point. And then here, these 2 days on 10.12 and 10.15, the wicks to the bottom side showed support right there at the 27.75, and then it closed beneath that. So we took that as a bearish sign, and our next point of contact that we want to see is, let me see if I can't push out this time frame so we can scroll over and look at it. Our next point of contact is down here. So you, okay, you can't really see it in the sense. This bottom point down here at $22 and some change is what we expect it to come down to. It's the next just resistance, or excuse me, support that this thing has since it's broken support at the $27.75 range. So guys, that's all I've got for you. That is my portfolio. Guys, I host a live training every single week because I'm passionate about empowering you to build your legacy. So come register for the webinar. It's a live training every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I teach you 3 of the top secrets that have allowed me to become a full-time trader, to be a stay-at-home dad, to travel to over 35 different states, 7 different countries, be with my wife as long and as much as I want to, and continue to live life on my terms. And I will show you and share with you those secrets. So come register for the webinar. It's going to be this Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I can't wait to see you there. Till then, let's build that legacy.